Assemble your Airpot rack by following these simple steps. Begin with one frame and swing the two support bars forward, inserting them into the wire loops on the front of the frame. Attach one of the wire legs to the second bar from the left, ensuring the hooks are facing inwards. Connect the other leg to the second bar in from the right, making sure that the hooks are facing inwards. With the outward tension on the legs, position the single support bar horizontally across the bottom legs. Thread the wire dividers diagonally through the holes in the front and back sections. For the model 234 APK6, repeat the threading step for the second divider. Insert the back support wire into the double wire loops on the back side of the Airpot frame. The first Airpot rack is now complete. Take the second wired frame and swing the two support bars forward, inserting them into the wire loops on the opposite sides of the frame. Thread the right dividers through the hole at the center of the front and back sections. Place the second wired frame in front of the standing Airpot frame. Tilt the bottom frame backwards and insert the connecting bar into the standing frame. Insert the drip trays into the holders on the front of the frame. If desired, place the black sign holder in front of the drip trays on the bottom frame or on the back support wire above the Airpots. Place your Airpots on the rack and start serving.